Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying the tools, pick the right thread, and needle so tension behaves predictably. Thread choice affects sheen and stretch, so match cotton to matte looks and silk or rayon for shine. Once selected, cut an 18-24 length to reduce knots, and apply a conditioner if you want smoother feeds. Next, split or combine strands to get the thickness your pattern needs. Make sure to avoid long lengths that tangle. Shorter is cleaner and easier to manage. Now thread the needle and secure your start. Use a needle threader when the eye is small, and decide if your design needs single or doubled thread. Anchor the thread with a waist knot or a tiny backstitch so the fabric doesn't pucker. Once anchored, work running and backstitch for outlines, satin for fills, and split stitch for texture. Each stitch changes how light and shadow read on thread. Make sure to keep tension even, inconsistent pull warp stitches, and the final look. To finish, secure thread ends discreetly so the reverse is tidy. A tiny backstitch or a hidden knot works well, then trim close, about 1/8 inch. Once done, press from the reverse side through a pressing cloth at low heat to settle stitches without crushing texture. If you see puckering or distorted shapes, stop, rehoop the fabric, add a stabilizer, and redistribute tension. And if knots form mid-stitch, gently pull through and trim, then re-anchor. This prevents bunching and keeps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.